Hi guys, today I will show you how you can insert table in your Word document. So first of all, go to Insert tab and from Tables group select the Table menu. A pop-up menu will appear. So the first method is you can select from the pop-up menu. So 2 cross 2 means 2 columns and 2 rows. First one represent column and second one represent rows. So 4 cross 3 means 4 columns and 3 rows. As you can see, 4 columns and 3 rows. Now the second method is, again go to Insert tab, from Tables group select Table menu and Insert Table option. You can insert number of columns and you can insert number of rows, and it's unlimited up to your page limit. So you can insert whatever you want, like 30 columns and 50 rows. I'm inserting 15 columns and 4 rows. As you can see, 15 columns and 4 rows. And now the third option is manually drawing table. So draw table option. As you can see now, manually drawing table. So first column, second column, third column, and so on. So as you can see, I have inserted 7 columns and 2 rows. That's it guys. Thank you.